In this video, you will learn how to connect Pepperstone to MetaTrader 5. Open Pepperstone trading account. If you do not have an account, sign up for Pepperstone website and complete the registration process. Download and install MetaTrader 5. Download MetaTrader 5 from the official MetaTrader website or Pepperstone platform page, then install it on your computer or mobile device. Get your Pepperstone MetaTrader 5 login details. After the account is approved, Peppertrader will send you an email with your MetaTrader 5 login, password and server details. Open MetaTrader 5. Launch the MT5 platform on your device. Log into your Pepperstone account in MetaTrader 5. Click on File, log into Trade Account, then enter your ID, password and select the correct Pepperstone server from the list. Then start trading. Once logged in, your account will be connected. You can begin trading Pepperstone through MetaTrader 5. Now you know how to easily connect Pepperstone to MetaTrader 5. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.